Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. My name is Muhammad Saludin bin Mahmud and my metric number is J24A. Today I will present my real workplace hazard assessment and control plan. This project follows the OSH principle we have learned in class and includes hazard identification, control measures, and a monitoring plan. For workplace selection, I select a chemistry lab that located in my campus. This lab is typically used by science students and lab staff, with about 5 to 10 people in the room at any given time. Common activities here include handling chemicals, conducting experiments, and using lab equipment like burners and glassware. I also include a hand-drawn floor plan and photos showing key areas like the fume hood, chemical storage, and emergency shower station. During my walkthrough, I identified 10 potential hazards across several categories, but I will just list 4 out of 10 hazards in this slide. First category is physical. Wet floor near sink pose a physical risk of slipping. Second category is chemical. Chemical spills and unlabeled bottles present chemical exposure hazard. Third category is biological. Biological risk come from improper storage of biohazard materials. Number 4 category is ergonomic. Ergonomic hazard include long-standing times and height shaft. For the 5 highest risk hazards, I applied the hierarchy of control. First is unlabeled chemical bottles. I introduced color-coded labels and enforced SOPs. Number 2, spill acid during titration. Provide acid-resistant spill trays under burettes. Number 3, biohazard storage in fridge. Install a separate, clearly labeled compartment. Number 4, wet floor at sink area. Anti-slip mats and improve drainage. Number 5, electrical socket near sink. Install a waterproof cover and move socket higher. The implementation timeline span from 1 to 2 weeks depending on the hazard. First, introduce new label system and install mats can be done within a week. Second, provide acid trays plus training and replace electric socket with waterproof version can be done within 2 weeks. Lab technician, lecturers, and safety officer all play key roles in enforcing this action. To make sure the controls are working, I develop a monitoring plan. First, do daily floor inspection by doing a visual check method. Second, do weekly chemical bottle label check, spill tray check, fridge log review by doing a spot check, inspection, and logbook audit method. Third, do monthly electrical cover check by doing function test method. This allows us to measure real risk reduction like fewer incidents, better SOP compliance, and safer sample handling. Doing this assessment showing how real OSH principles apply in everyday lab situations. I realized that small issues like unlabeled bottles or clogged bin can cause serious problems if not managed correctly. Some challenges I faced were access limitation and changing behavior habits. To improve this plan further, We could introduce mandatory safety certification and use digital tracking system. In conclusion, this assignment helped me translate OSH theory into practice and increase my awareness of everyday hazards. With proper hazard control, we can create a safer, more efficient laboratory environment. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.